Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have a OnePlus phone. I'm going to show you the alarm clock sound and timer sound.
Let's play grade.
Hit clock.
You want to know how to play grade? Yeah.
Hit the plus.
Like this way or down with your eyes closed. Someone has to bury them with all the pistol. I want to do it first so you can teach me how to do it. No, I'm showing you.
Into now vibration.
Like this and then I'll bury a piece. Okay. Am I going to do it right now? Yes. But do your eyes closed so it doesn't get on your eye. Yeah. Okay, close your eyes. More dirt on your feet.
And there we go.
Wait, don't make it too
There we go. It's softly turned up.
You can get up now.
No, it's 9 at 5 a.m. It's just like the Samsung. Undo dismiss. And also
You can get up now.
also hit delete.
You gotta be big proud.
And let's do timer alert. Here we go.
Running in the house.
I wasn't running.
I don't care. Quit stomping your feet.
So here we go.
Fucking brick. Just like your mom.
And hit dismiss. And put on alarm. And do miss. And that's it. That was the alarm and timer alert.
And get up.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up about the alarm and timer alert on the OnePlus phone. Thank you for watching.